Galactic Forecast, The Coming Freeze, Cosmocast, July 19th, 2525. Scene opens with a translucent anchor standing in front of a rotating hologram of Earth, glowing with kinetic life. Holographic overlays flicker. Humans, animals, factories, forests, each tagged as a discrete moon. Anchor voiceover, good evening from the outer observational ring. Tonight's forecast models are predicting a rare event, the emergence of a universal nucleation point, originating right here on Earth. The camera zooms into the Earth model, where activity slows and a blue crystalline seed emerges at the planet's core. We're tracking a newly forming entropic collapse front, dubbed the snowball black hole phenomenon. Think of it as Earth becoming the first snowflake in a cosmos-wide freeze. Overhead, a transparent map shows 1 quintillion individual objects, humans, animals, satellites, cities coalescing into a grid of luminous moons, each labeled as a unique signature in space-time. These objects, once chaotic, alive, and in motion, are now initiating the phase transition. Earth's surface, once the epicenter of complexity, has triggered an inversion. Entropy is collapsing into structure. Next scene, a ripple of ice-like fractals emerges from Earth, spreading outward through the solar system. Planets dim, asteroids still. Kuiper Belt becomes a ring of crystal. The freeze is spreading fast, following gravitational filaments. Mercury, frozen. Jupiter's moons, locked in orbit, now sculpture. Camera pans across a galaxy-wide model. Entire star systems are engulfed by expanding waves of frozen stasis, nebulae crystallizing like frost on glass. Beyond the Oort cloud, cosmic structures fall silent. The expansion isn't just spatial, it's temporal, too. Time slows as atomic vibrations cease. This isn't death, it's preservation. A final hologram shows the entire observable universe encased in a glowing ice shell, the Earth at its heart. Information preserved, motion stilled. And so, the once chaotic universe ends not in fire or vacuum, but in order. A museum of what once was. Earth, the unlikely seed, becomes the architect of cosmic equilibrium. Forecast summary, nucleation site, Earth. Total objects frozen, approximately 10, freeze radius expansion, exponential. Final state, crystalline cosmos, zero entropy. Bundle up, stargazers, the deepest freeze has only just begun. Broadcast fades, only the sound of icy wind through the stars remains. Elaboration of magnetic electrical space weather. Cosmocast Forecast, edition, July 19th, 2525. Scene opens with a translucent anchor standing before a dynamic hologram of Earth, its surface alive with pulsing magnetic and electrical currents. Data flows ripple outward like waves on a pond. Anchor voiceover, welcome to your galactic space weather briefing. Today's anomaly is unlike any solar flare or gamma burst. We are witnessing the onset of an unprecedented phenomenon, the elaboration of magnetic electrical space weather seeded by Earth's own electromagnetic entropy. A close-up shows Earth emitting faint pulses, each representing one of the approximately 10 distinct surface objects, people, plants, animals, machines, all counted as individual magnetic moons. These objects, charged by Earth's bioelectrical activity and artificial networks, have synchronized into a global magnetic resonance. This harmonic alignment has triggered a cosmic-scale response, a kind of quantum freeze initiation. Overlays show expanding plasma arcs wrapping around the planet, then cascading into space. Solar system bodies flicker into electrical stasis. We're not just seeing electromagnetic fallout. This is magnetocrystalline nucleation. Earth, once a receiver of solar weather, has become its architect, a center point of structured stillness. Ice-like harmonics are freezing spacetime's motion. View shifts to a model of the heliosphere. The entire solar system appears to contract, solidify, then refract light like a frozen prism. Mercury's magnetosphere, inverted. Jupiter's plasma torus, hallowed. Kuiper Belt objects, suspended in electrical glass. Each object, natural or artificial, becomes an encoded moon. The Earth has launched the first entropic reversal wave. The hologram zooms out, now showing the Milky Way. Crystalline filaments streak through the galactic arms. A fractalized stasis wave spreads toward deep time. Forecast summary: phenomenon, magnetically induced universal freezing. Nucleation origin: Earth's electromagnetic body. Total frozen units, approximately 10 plus. Mechanism: electrical phase locking into stasis. Final state: universal entropic lattice. This is no storm. It's a universe-wide crystallization of motion driven by the geometry of life, technology, and magnetism. Earth has become not just the home of weather, but the weather maker of the cosmos. Forecast outlook: clear skies, frozen time, perfect charge alignment. Prepare for stillness.